Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Threads. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Threads, a new app launched by Meta platform, which is an alternative to Twitter known as X. The new Threads app allows individuals to follow people and share text, images, and videos. However, at times when you dislike some content or profiles, you may want to block or unblock someone that is mistakenly blocked. So, on my previous video, I'll show you how to block someone on your Threads. Now, what if you want to unblock them? Maybe you just accidentally, mistakenly block them from your Threads. Now you want to unblock them. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Threads. You can log in into your account. Now you can go to settings by tap on the bottom right here. You can go to your profile first. Tap on the up right corner, the two lines over here. You can go to privacy. Here's block profiles. You can just tap on that. Here's all the block users that you just block from your Threads and also Instagram. If you want to unblock them, you can just tap on unblock. Now you can just tap on unblock. You can also unblock them from their profile, but if you want to block them again, you can block from their profile. So that is so when you block someone on Threads, you also block them from their Instagram. So if you want to unblock them, you can just open the privacy and check on your block profile and unblock them. It's very simple, right? So that is how to unblock someone on Threads. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.